Ayun, may gawa naman pala ako, pre. Tingnan natin kung sa atin. Ano tong laba? So hello guys, ako po si Diego Maybanlipag. Ito po yung question na sasagutin ko ngayon. Gusto mong umabol sa posisyon na yan. Sit and ask DYMC, gusto ko maging black leader kasi gusto ko i-guide yung aking mga fellow mga DYMC, no? Medyo i-review ko ako ngayon, and so the next question is what or who inspired you to do it all? Siyempre, yung pinakamalakas sa lahat, si Ating George, no? Siya yung nag-inspire sa akin na maging ganito kasi gusto ko mas ma-improve sa sarili ko, and this may be one of the ways para mapakita ko ang aking skills bilang isang DYMC. So, ayan. The next question, why did you not consider running for other positions? I considered running for the position SOCOM, but position is already taken by my fellow DYMC member, Eli Isigro. Continue to the grade 12 block leader only because it is the only position that is good for me. And what can you contribute to the TRC DYMC once you win? What can I contribute? I can contribute my leadership, my skills as a photographer, and many more. Yes, I can do that. I can do many. Wait. I don't have the question anymore because it went exactly to do my best as a leader for my fellow grade 12 DYMC members. Yes, that's all. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay well. That is all for me. Diego Maybanlipag as your grade 12 block leader. I hope that I can be chosen as your block leader because I can do my best. Thank you.